In this video, I will show the demo how to execute the VPN in Ubuntu system. So at first, we need to prepare two virtual machine in VMware and check the IP address of the server machine. So as we can see, the IP address is shown in here, 192.168.67.131, and we need to ensure the connectivity. So at client machine, pin so the client machine is pinned successfully to the server machine. So before to execute the VPN, we need to prepare some simple configuration, some basic simple configuration. So and the next is sudo apt install build essential. This build essential package will include the GCC compiler, and the next is so this code relies on the OpenSSL for encryption and decryption. So let's do the same thing in the server machine. So after the basic configuration, we need to open a directory, install. So open a VPN file, open an empty new folder for the VPN. So as here we can see the VPN folder. And this step touch is open a empty file. So we can see the empty file in this folder. So later we will implement the VPN code in this empty file. So let's do the same thing in the client part. after we open the file and the empty file in the VPN folder, so we can start to implement the VPN code. After finish implement the VPN code, we need to compile and execute this VPN code. So for a reminder, in here we need to set the IP set the server IP, the correct server IP. So let's start to compile. cc server.c output server minus lssl minus lsly to. So list. Now we can see the VPN code is compiled successfully. Then we do the same thing at the client part. C output client minus lssl minus lcrypto. Now the client.c also compiled successfully. Ensure that start the server before start the client. So let's start to run the VPN code /server. Now the server part will show the VPN server is listening on port 1194 /client. Right. So the client is already connected to the VPN server, and here is the IP address of the client. So we can check here. Oops. So the client's IP is 192.168.67.130. So we enter the message. Hi, how are you? So at the client part, we will receive the server response. The data is received, and at the server part, the server will receive the message of client, and the data will be encrypted. So this is the encrypt data. So it quite hard to understand. So after it receives the encrypt data, the VPN code will decrypt the data. So we will get the same output that sent from the client. So that's all for our video today.